25 questions in 25 days. Hello, Aluxers. This is a special series we're doing before the end of the year, where we answer some of the questions you ladies and gents have sent our way. If you're new here, do yourself a favor and subscribe. You're currently missing out. Here's today's question. How to sell anything? Asked by a lot of you. Selling is one of the most useful skills anyone can learn. Almost every interaction you have in life is a form of selling. You're either selling your ideas, your desires, or yourself so other people like being around you. It's all selling. That's why it makes sense to search for answers to difficult questions like this one. Selling is the process of convincing someone to follow a set of actions that, in return, will return some positive outcome for both parties. It's really important to emphasize the win-win scenario. If this requirement isn't fulfilled, you're not selling, you're scamming people. Whatever you're selling should be a solution to a problem the potential buyer is seeking to solve. If this condition is met, it's just a matter of how much someone is willing to pay in order to solve the problem. Once you understand the basics, selling is no longer an aggressive process, because in reality, all you should be doing is helping people solve their problems. So how do you get better at selling? 1. Do your homework. Really understand what your product is, what problem it solves, why people would need it, which people would need it, and how it can make their lives easier. 2. Know your customer. The more you know and understand about the customer, the better idea you have of what their problem is. Pay close attention, ask questions, and listen. Whatever you're selling, in a short amount of time, you'll figure out different patterns of needs showcased by potential customers. If you did your homework well, there should be no problem in presenting your product as the viable solution. 3. Be trustworthy. Reputation is everything. That's why honesty is what separates good salespeople from pretenders. Pretenders will do and say anything to get that sale, even if it goes against the best interest of the customer. Stop pretending that customers are stupid and looking to take advantage of them. Instead, build a trustworthy relationship, and that's a customer that will stick around for years to come. 4. Learn how to close. Too many people never go for the ask. They expect somehow the sale will go through by itself. This is where good salespeople set themselves apart from everyone else. If the client wants a problem solved, once they understand that your product fixes that problem, it's just a matter of closing. Once you've answered every concern and you know it's the right move for the buyer, you're actually doing them harm by not closing that sale and solving their problem. 5. Make the product better. Use what you learn from the customers and polish the product even more. This will make the sale process even easier, and it applies to products, careers, and even love lives. I know who I am, what I want, and what I am capable of. I know who you are, what your needs are, and that you're looking for someone to fill that gap for you. My track record, set of values, and experience shows I am able to be that solution for you. Considering I check all the boxes, why wouldn't you hire me, date me, or buy from me? Going in for the close is the most important part of this system because it's a feedback loop that allows you to get better and see where you need to improve. That's why most guys end up in the friend zone. They never go for the ask. They never try to close the deal. If last Sunday we recommended the book To Sell is Human by Daniel Pink, today we're taking a different route and recommending Jab, 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 Right Hook by Gary Vaynerchuk. Selling has changed with social media, and Gary has been one of the people who's been making bank on this. We assume most of you are familiar with him and his story. If not, there's a great video about him on our channel. We like what he does. That's why if you go to Alux.com/freebook and sign up, you can get one audiobook by Gary Vaynerchuk for free, thanks to our partnership with Audible. Now, Aluxers, we're curious. Are you comfortable selling? Should we do a detailed video on this topic, or do you feel like you've got the gist of it? Let us know in the comments. If you want to make sure you're not missing any of the daily value we provide, make sure to subscribe and follow us on social media. You can never have too much motivation in your life. We handpicked this video for you to watch next. We look forward to hearing from you, and as always, see you back here tomorrow.